If you've got a used clothing store and you're looking for a professional, affordable website to advertise your business, you're definitely in the right place today. So keep watching this video. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to use the Mighty Sites platform to build a simple website for your used clothing store. If you haven't heard of Mighty Sites before, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days. No credit card details are needed at all. So make sure you click on the link below this video to start that free trial. Once you join the platform, first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your markets. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from, currently over 900, by the way, and we are adding more every single week for various small businesses. So I'm going to head to the top and go ahead and search for my market used clothing store. There it is over there. Let's go ahead and select that template. Great. Let's tell Mighty Sites a few basic details about our business. Pop in your company name, your city, and your state or region. And it doesn't matter where in the world your business is operating from, you can enjoy the Mighty Sites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Once you click on continue, Mighty Sites will automatically generate a simple website for your used clothing store. And there you have it. It's literally done so in a couple of seconds. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. It will automatically bring this pop-up up, showing you how to customize your new websites in under 30 seconds. For now, I'm going to close this off because today I'm going to be showing you the ropes. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality. As you can see, they're completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some awesome images of your used clothing store, all the various items you stock in your shop, and you want to showcase it on your website, maybe make one or two amendments to this content that was pre-written for you. You can do so. It's super simple. You don't need to know any coding, website coding, be a web professional in any kind of way. You certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself. Even if you're not that tech savvy, it's really simple. So let's head to the top and click on the first section over here. Over here, I'm going to pop in my email address in case my customers want to reach out to me with their queries. Let's make sure that's visible on our Mighty Sites website. So let's click that box, check it off. There it is. Email is now displayed on my website. Enter your phone number over here. That is click to call, and your address, your physical location. Maybe you're online, you can leave this off. But if you have a physical location, pop in your address. The great thing about it is when your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps for directions. And update social links is where you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. The icons for your social channels will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. So your customers can easily click on them and be taken to your social media profiles, give you a follow, and get some engagement going. If you have a logo for your business, head on over to the next section, update logo, browse your device to upload it. Once your logo has been uploaded, you can click on that pencil to make edits to it, to crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames, and you can make the logo bigger and smaller here on the right. With Mighty Sites as well, we've pre-selected the colors for you. If you'd like to change them, you don't need to know color coding. Click on that color palette bottom right-hand corner. Go through the various color palettes available for you to use. For each section you'd like to make amendments to, just click on that white button at the bottom of each section that says update section. Head on over to update image. Now here's where you can browse your device to upload your own images or search through the photo library. There's hundreds of high quality images to choose from, actually over 1,000. Thousands of photos for you to choose from. They're all completely free for you to use, so you don't need to worry. Otherwise, head on over to the photo options back over here. You can connect your Instagram accounts with a click of a button, automatically pull in all your images if you have a profile. Now, under update actions, where we can change those call to action buttons, the text on the buttons, and where they link to. You can even upload a PDF file or link to another website, or an action like click to call, or directions, click to email. Great. And the last section is where you can put in your opening hours for your business, for your customers' convenience. Pop them in over here and update hours. Once you put them in, the page will automatically reload after saving and display your hours over here in this last section. If you have a custom domain for your business, you can use this yellow button at the bottom to connect your domain. If you don't have a custom domain, we really recommend that you get one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors. Click on that button as well, connect your domain, because you can actually purchase a custom domain from the MultiSites platform as well. I really hope this short tutorial was helpful in building a simple website for your used clothing store, and I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success.